Hi everyone, Jeff here, and today we're going to go over how to design your very own subscription business from start to finish. I'm going to go over the entire process, how I've done it, how you can do it, and the pluses and negatives about doing it. Now, before we get started, I do want to say it will take some startup capital to get a subscription business going. You're going to have to purchase some products in bulk, several products, and then each month you're going to have to change them out. You will have to do some shipping, so you have shipping costs. It's a simple model once you get it streamlined and the process started, and we're going to go over everything in detail. So follow along, hit the subscribe button if you're interested in learning this, and I'm going to go over all the other business models that we can do. I've been doing this for 23 years now, so if you like this kind of content, give me a follow, put some information down in the comments if you have some questions. Now let's get into it. Let's get into the subscription model business. Here is a diagram showing you, the company, building your business is going to offer a product or service. You need to niche it down into a category, something that's not too broad. Now you don't want to niche it down too small to where you have no customers. So like I gave an example before is BarkBox. Great company. They offer pet toys and pet treats, but I've seen other companies offer same kind of service where you offer that for your dog or your cat, and they'll niche it down even more. Let's say into, I've seen one that had chewy toys for like dogs that actually are larger and they actually destroy the toys. So they niched it down to basically advertise that their toys are almost indestructible. So for more aggressive dogs, that's how they did it. So it's just an example of how to niche it down a little bit more. Now, the product or service is periodically purchased, and it's usually either by weeks or months. So you got 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. You'll see this on almost any site, even including Amazon offers it now, subscription services. The customer places the order for that every 30 days, let's say, and they pay you, the company, but the nice thing about it is reoccurring. So you don't just pay, let's say you're paying Facebook ads and you're getting, let's say you're paying $5 to acquire a customer. Now, on a normal business model, once you get that customer, you need to email market them and try to get them to repurchase. And that's quite difficult. A lot of times you'll get one sale and you'll never get another. Well, with the subscription-based business, if you do it right, let's go with the Dollar Shave Club or whatever they're called. They built that business great. I mean, it was small trials for like $3, $4. Once they got people in, they got the first purchase, they got the second purchase, and they got the third purchase. And I think the average is 3 to 6 months for most customers. So if you can acquire a customer for $5 or $10, even if you break even or lose a little bit on the first purchase, you're usually going to make quite a bit of money because you're going to get them to stay on for a 3 to 6 month, and you'll get the customers to stay on for years. So you got a great business model is the reason I'm showing you this. So let's get into how to build it. Subscription businesses. I like to build my business on Shopify. Now it's like $29.99 a month to start. You sign up right here, you get a free trial, 14-day trial right here. Once you sign up, it's so easy to build your site. I'm going to go into it in basics. This is inside the actual login, and this is a theme right here. They're going to basically it loads these themes, and you can see them all here. They're very professional. You can also do paid ones. See how they got the pay right here? You pay that one time. So most of them are under $200. That's for the paid. But look at this. We have free ones, and the free ones are very nice. A lot of stores. I've seen some pretty large stores using these. And then when you click on them, they'll give you options for different colors, different versions. Like this one right here with the stroller is designed like this. Watch. More for a single product. So this would be perfect. You got some that are for small catalogs, some that are for large catalogs, and these are the free ones now. They have the paid ones too. So it's a great selection, and you just click on these and install. And there's no HTML code, there's no experience needed, and almost everything on Shopify is click and just paste. There's no code needed. You just need to put the images in there, type in your product descriptions, be a little bit creative. You might have to hire somebody off of Fiverr to do some pictures for you, but it's pretty easy. I mean, you can get most of this stuff online. So that's building your website. Now let's go into this. This is the actual app store in Shopify. So once you create that free store, you're going to have to type in, I think subscriptions is what I typed in. So I type in subscriptions on the app store right here, and it will actually give you these. And I've used Recharge. I've used a few of these. I've used Bold. Bold is a very big app company, but they turn your website into a subscription-based website. So if you click on like Recharge, it's going to go into detail on how it works with a video, but it basically allows your website to take subscriptions, and it allows a drop down where it gives them the option for weekly, monthly, and this one is a service, $60, but it's one of the bigger and more well-known ones. But there's other ones out there, like we were just on this website. There's some that could be free sometimes. Some come with trials. This one's free. So you have to try them out, look at them, and the same thing, once you click on them, you can install them. Let's go back right here, add app. It installs it automatically. If there's any issues, usually the developer, the company, Recharge in this case, would actually assist you in it. Most of the time it's 100% free. They'll help you out, help you get that up. All right, so now that you got the website going, you got Shopify, you have the website, you got the theme. You can do either the free theme or the paid theme for under $200, and it's a one-time fee again. Now you added the subscription app. So now you're able to add the subscriptions into your products. So you have all the options. And now this is basically what you're looking to accomplish. Now you can go with the pet idea, like I said, but I would change it up. Don't copy them. There's a million different things out there. Let's go. We got coffee subscriptions. I've seen, what is it? You got food, any kind of snack subscriptions. The pet subscriptions, you can do pet food. I do pet food for my dogs. You probably want to keep it a little bit lighter for shipping purposes. But there's so many options. Just think about what you, as a customer, purchase every month, and just think of ideas, and then ask people, ask friends, and you can maybe come up with something different. You got like beef jerky is a huge one. You got I already said the shaving. You got the beard oil for men. You got women's products. I've seen a lot of women. They order the makeup and things like that. So there's so many different products that you can go with. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go over to Alibaba. So right here, Alibaba.com, and AliExpress is the one that's more of a drop shipping website, where if you want to order a small quantity to get it started, but you're going to pay a higher dollar. They're almost like a middleman, and it's from China, AliExpress. Alibaba is from China, but you can do searches here or go by categories, and you can search for what you want. Now, I just threw in dog toys because we're talking about the BarkBox. But when you see I typed in dog toys, it's got chew toys, ropes, balls, catnip, flying discs. And then you scroll down. Oh, do not want that. All right, you scroll down and you got all the things that are available. So you can see a lot of them are 50 cents, $1. Now you do need to order these in bulk. So it tells you right here 100 pieces, 20 pieces, 10 pieces. Now I like to do when I buy something from them, there is a box you want to check, which is verified supplier. I recommend it. So there we go. And then another thing to look at is how long they've been in business. Now, if you're going to order a small quantity, I always recommend at least 2 years in business. So anybody that's one, you want to be a little careful. See, this guy right here is one, so he's brand new. Most of the companies that have been in business 2+ years are pretty safe. The ones that are verified are pretty safe. So he might be safe because he's verified. And to be a verified, they have to sell quite a lot. And they got stars that rank them. And you can click on the details for that. But I'm just trying to give you some advice off Alibaba. But when you buy, you can see here, some of them allow a smaller quantity, 48 pieces, 2 sets, 10 pieces. And the cost is pretty cheap. And this is just one example. There's a million different products, like I said, out there. So you can go, let's type in I don't know, makeup. So there we go. It's going to break down different things that are available. I'm sure you can be like more, yeah, here we go. So eyeliner, lipstick, concealer, fan brush. I mean, these are just options that you can create a subscription box. And then each month, obviously, you're going to want to make it a little different. You're going to want to change it up. So how you want to do that, you put a little thought into it. So this month, you might want to include this makeup kit for $1.20. And you order 10 pieces and try it out. You know, in the next month, you might want to order this brush kit right here that I'm hovering over, and that's $9. So that'll be a lot harder. So you need to find things that are a little more, you know, going to make you profit. You need to have a profit margin. So lipstick, here we go, $1.08, 20 pieces. So, you know, you also have to think about shipping. So, I mean, shipping is expensive from China. So that's something to take into consideration. But once you get that done, so now you have the products, you want to find the right niche and the right category. Once you find the right niche and category, you need to obviously create your business. So you can do the business. Once you get a logo designed, which there are many websites out there, I prefer the websites that do the contests to design websites. There's a few of them. I think it's like 99 Designs, Design Crowd, or Crowder.com. Just do a Google search. Here, you can do it right here. For logo, design competition or contest. Here we go. 99 Designs is one. They're a little bit more expensive. Design Crown, I've used them. They do a good job. It's a mid-range price. I've used Hatchwise recently, $90. And it's kind of one of those things where you get what you pay for. They're a little harder because you're going to get more of the lower end guys that don't speak much English. So that's 3 right here. I mean, I know they're ads, but these are the 3 of the larger companies. And these are the contest ones. You can do like freelance where you hire one person, but I always like to get a bunch of stuff, not just logos, but any kind of designs you're getting, because you get a lot of people's variation when they're creating stuff for you. You just tell them what you're looking to do. Like if you're looking to start a pet business subscription, you tell them what you're looking, or you give them the name you came up with, because you're going to have to search for it online on the domain. And once you find it, you come here and you pay a fee for this contest. And the way it works is you pay, let's say, the $89 for a logo, and then that's all you pay. And then you're going to get 40, 50, 60 different people, designers from all over the world, creating these logos. And it's pretty cool. And you can pick the ones you want. And most of them offer a money-back guarantee. So if you're not happy, they'll refund you if you don't like any of them. So that's how I like to do it as far as logo. Once you get that logo, you go to a website like this. Then this is just an example, uprinting.com. But there's many different websites like this. And what happens is you come here, click on mailer boxes or product boxes. We're looking for more of a shipping box. So mailer box or a shipping box. And see how it's got the design on it? I mean, that's similar to like a pet one right there. But you can tell them what size you want. A little drop down right here. Actually, you type them in. So like 6-inch, I don't know, by 8-inch, by 3 inches deep. And then it'll give you a price, $247 for 250 pieces. And you can change it. And obviously, the more you order, your first order, you might want to start out with 50 or 100. So you're paying $291. But once you start ordering in bulk, you're going to save quite a bit. You order 2,000, you're saving quite a bit of money. That's just how it works. So when you first start out, you don't want to go crazy. But this is how you do it. So this is how you start. You're going to design the actual box that your products are going to go into for the subscription. And some of these websites, like Uprinting, I'm not sure if they do it. Yeah, they do right here. Design online. I've used some of them before. So that you basically just click on this. It'll take you through the processes. You upload the art and your images that you get from the designer that we just looked at, and they will actually create it for you in the 100 quantity, 50 quantity, whatever you want, and they'll ship it right to your door, and you can start doing this today. So that's basically the process. Obviously, you're going to have to advertise it, and you could do that through so many avenues, social media. You can use Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest. Those are all free avenues that you can promote your products on. You can also use paid, which I recommend, like Facebook ads. Once you acquire a customer in subscription-based model, back to, let's see if we can find it right here. Once you acquire this customer and you pay that $5 or $10, whatever it costs to acquire them, I mean, maybe you can get it for $2. That'd be awesome. But once you get them, then they pay. You get multiple out of a subscription, usually. Unless the product is, you want to make sure it's a quality product. So that's the key. Once you get them on and you get them as a customer, it's very easy with an email product. Like you can use Recharge, GetResponse, Klaviyo. There's so many different email products out there. And you get them on like a reoccurring email list. And you just keep that customer as happy as possible. Change it up every month. Get the subscription a little bit different so they get quality products, again, from Alibaba.com. And it's going to take a little time, a little work. Obviously, there's going to be costs up front. You're going to have to put some money to buy some products, 25, 50 pieces for a few products. So it's going to take some money. You're going to have to ship some stuff out. You got to be creative. Once you get everything designed, you get everything set, you got yourself a legit business going, create money every single month. It's the way to do it. So there you have it. That's how you start a subscription model business from A to Z, the starting to the finished product. There will be more involved. You definitely have to put time and effort, like I said, into the building it properly. You're gonna have to launch the product or service. You're gonna have to start out acquiring customers through advertising, social media platforms, promoting your product, your brand. Take some time, do it right, get the right logos to create the right designs. Spend some time and some money getting it done properly. This business model, like I said in the beginning, is one that you will have to spend some money to get going, but is a great way to get business going, get renewed customers. So take action, go ahead and start it today, and look at you making some money, and subscribe for more.